Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. I hope everyone is doing well. May Almighty Allah bless you all. Welcome to my YouTube channel KQ Decor. In this channel, we create decoration ideas just for you and we upload videos every day. So stay connected with us and watch all our previous videos. Thank you. Like this video and subscribe my channel. So as you all know, different people have different choices. In this channel we upload different types of decoration designs ideas. In this video I have bring you some beautiful, stunning, fantastic wardrobes designs ideas for your sweet home. So don't skip this video. These designs are very fancy. I hope everyone will love these designs. So that's it for today. I will be back with new decoration ideas very soon. Share this video with your friends and loved ones. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for new latest video. Thank you. Goodbye friends. Take good care of yourself and family members. Allah Hafiz.